Y'all, what's up? It's your boy, it's me. If you know me, you know me. If you don't, you don't. But if you've been locked up with me, you know one thing, that your boy go crazy in the kitchen. I'm talking about that prison food. I was a microwave genius. They called me Uber Eats because I was in that bitch slinging food, bringing it straight to the doorstep. But this some different shit. Put that real shit in front of me and watch the boy go crazy. Look what we got. We got some lobster tails. We got some eggs, some chorizo, crab legs, shrimp, corn, potatoes. Your boy finna do a seafood boil. And that shit right there was easy. I'm finna put together this rudo that's gonna be out this world. I'm talking scrump, dilly, shit. This ain't no prison food, nigga. This that free shit.